Alright folks, I have a series of videos I'm gonna make real quick, but a few unboxings. I'm not gonna unbox this. It's a 128 gigabyte flash drive, or not flash drive, SD card, but I do have this, a lavaliere mic, so hopefully I'll sound better after this. I have an SD card reader and a Roku streaming stick. So I think I'll start off with the lavaliere mic and we'll do a little live test to see how it sounds, right? Pretty basic box. I do have a set of scissors. It's right here in my pocket. Now, I did have plans to get one of the Rhodes lavaliere mics, but this was like a third of the price, so I decided to get the cheaper one, figure out how it works, not break it, and then buy the nicer one. So, let's see what's in this bad boy. Looks like it's in the bag already, so that's nice. It's not all falling around. This one actually is for the iPhone, but you can detach it right here. You can detach it and then use a little auxiliary cable, so that's nice. The cable's very thin. It was $25, $30, so I'm not expecting, Audio-Technica quality, but it's got this little Velcro thing here. Nice touch. In my bag of cables, there's an auxiliary cable. It's very cheap. I don't even think I've used it. I think it came with a speaker system. Clip it in right there. Then we have microphone on one end, auxiliary on the other. Gonna say for the price it's sufficient. Doesn't seem super cheap. Only one way to find out. Alright, let's unbox this Roku streaming stick. I bought this one in particular because it says it has long-range Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is not sufficient for 4K streaming. So let's open this bad boy up, see what we got. If memory serves, I believe this was $40, which is interesting because the regular Roku was also $40, but I guess they have multiple options for people that want the hidden, because this one stays hidden behind your TV. I'm gonna open this up. Let's get you streaming. It almost looks like it's the exact size of a CD, but there's no CD in it, so that's kind of funny. Wow, look at that. That's a presentation right there. It even comes with a little battery pack, so that's cool. Batteries for the remote. That's very nice. Duracell. Not some weird off-brand I've never heard of. Looks like it even has a mini battery pack on it. It's got micro USB, which is fine. You're not going to be moving it around once it's plugged into your TV, so. And here we have the streaming stick itself with the nice purple cardboard. I do like the purple, it's cool. By the way, isn't Roku Amazon? I always thought it was Amazon, but they have the Roku and then the Fire Sticks. So, but I like the Roku because it has the Roku TV, which is a bunch of random streaming channels, which is fun. Tamo. What are you doing, doggy? So yeah, I guess if we're gonna make a video about this, let's fire it up and see how it works. We'll give Temu pets at the same time. So this is interesting. I have this Saiki TV, and down here, this is a little bit of an issue. Yeah, that's a little bit of an issue. Folks, I think we've run into a dead end. I'll probably have to return this. It is far too long. Apparently when they designed the TV that I have, they didn't take into consideration future obsolescence. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my unboxing on this bad boy. Platinum USB SD card reader stick. Stay tuned for more Temu. She's not interested.